Mail time, mail time, mail time. I don't believe I get to sing this song. Here's the mail, it never fails. When it comes, I want to wag my tail. Why, I just want to wail. Mail. Okay, so I haven't watched Blue's Clues in like 15 years. I don't know, something like that, a long time. It showed up in the mail today. Sophia Spinnaberg. Spin a burger, flip that thing at McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, Sophia, probably my number one fan on here, and the fact that I have a fan, she automatically is number one. Sent me this package, you know, love her to death. She comments on everything. She follows me on everything, and she watches all my videos, and, you know, I appreciate it so much. You have no idea. So she sent me a little package in the mail, and we're going to open it up. We're going to see what she sent me. I have no idea what it is. You know, but I was wondering, she's Sophia Spinnaberg, California, Kentucky. Look at that. Look at that West Coast. We got a California also. I bet you ours is better. Guarantee you our California, Kentucky. I bet you our California is better than the California out there on the West Coast. Whichever way west is. I bet you it's better. What? All right, we're gonna check the weather. We're gonna check the news right now, see what it's like out there in California. All right, guys. So as you can see, we're out here in California. Starting in Redding, we're at 100 degrees, going all the way down to Modesto at 95 degrees. So pretty much California sucks. You do have nice weather out in Lake Tahoe and Eureka, which I'm not even sure if Eureka exists anymore because they did cancel the TV show. Ukiah, Santa Rosa's 90. San Francisco's a nice 74, plus or minus 7 degrees. We're not sure on that one exactly. But basically, don't go outside because if the heat and the smog don't kill you, well, the blood and the Crips will. Okay, so stay in Kentucky if you can. Bye, guys. Was that Chad? Is Chad doing the news now? That couldn't have been Chad. Anyway, yeah, so anyway, before I opened this package, you know, I got to thinking, I was like, you know, I got a number one fan. Now, I don't know if you guys seen the movie Misery, but that got me a little curious as far as who exactly Sophia Spinnaberg is. Who are you, Sophia Spinnaberg? So I did a little yahooing, and I came up with this. All right, so check this out. Today on Unsolved Mysteries, we revisit the case of Sophia Spinnaberg, who was first seen escaping through the sewer tunnels of her hometown. She later was almost apprehended at a fall festival where she hid in a cauldron. She later became a master of disguise. However, caught here on CCTV, we could see that she was still in Kentucky. At this point, Sophia was last known to disappear to Paris, where she became known as Veuve Noire, or Black Widow. After that, Sophia returned to the United States to start the Pink Ladies. However, the Pink Ladies were not tough enough for her, so she became a violent member of the Crips. Sophia was last known to be riding the rails, hopping from town to town to avoid prosecution. She's in California, Kentucky. Mystery solved. All right, it's over with. Don't worry, I got your address right here, but I ain't giving it to nobody. Nope, they'll be getting a size 12 Durango right up their ass. I don't snitch. I ain't no snitch. Not on my number one fan, I don't. Plus, I've seen the movie Misery, so I know what might happen. Anyway, I gotta find something to open this with. All right, so this is gonna be a 3-hour video because I have nothing to open this with. Yes, I do. I got a pair of scissors. That should open it just fine. Look at that. It does say on it, open this way. So does that mean am I supposed to open it that way? Like cut the bottom and lift up? I don't think so. No, this says this way up over here. This way up. So I'm gonna go for it this way. I hope this is right. When it comes, I want to yell, what, mail, whatever. Anyway, so let's see what we got here. Well, we got some packaging. We got a bunch of little stuff in here. Oh my gosh. We have got, this stuff's gift wrap, folks. All right, so let's see. Look, it's all gift wrapped. It's like it's freaking Christmas up in here. This is amazing. I mean, it's like presents inside of presents. I don't know what's going on here. All right. We'll keep that box. I'm going to burn your address in case those Unsolved Mystery folks come after you, because I ain't no snitch, Sophia. I got your back. All right. Let's start with this one, since it's on top. Uh-oh. What have we got here? I don't know, because I can... What? Now, I don't know how you knew. I don't know how. I'm just get those quit rustling. I don't know how you knew that Hint of Lime was my favorite, but I will chew on these all day long. Like straight up, no sauce and nothing. Hint of Lime, perfect. These things are delicious. Thank you. And I'm poor, so thank you for sending me food so that I can eat and have the energy to come down here and, you know, maybe I'll just keep them down here and snack on them while I work. You know, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's go with this one because it was the next one I grabbed. Stop. Look at that, guys. Brand new. Look at that. She even knew that I have Sasquatch hands. Extra large. Daggone, I'm going to try these on right now. And they are straight Milwaukee. This is good stuff. This ain't that cheap stuff, bro. This ain't that cheap Harbor Freight that I buy. This is good stuff. Look at that. Rubberized hands and everything. Dang. That is sweet. Oh, dude. Them's nice. I like gloves like this where they fit tight so you can still work, you know. Urgh. Yeah. Look at that. Non-skid motion. Love it. So I can pick up metal, so I can slide out of my hands. That's sweet. Thank you, Sophia. I'm totally straight digging on this. Because, I mean, I haven't complained in every single video I've made that I needed gloves. Sophia stepped forward. I'm just saying I got over 200 subscribers. Now, Sophia sent me a message and told me she was sending me this package. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to do a little opening on air thing. And originally she sent this, I believe, because I reached 100 subscribers. Now we're up past 200. So, you know, keep it up, guys. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing, liking, subscribing, commenting. All that stuff that you can do on YouTube, do it if you don't mind. You know, obviously all my content's free, so I'm not charging you a dime to watch this. Pretty nice of me, right? I feel like I want to open this last because it's 2 little packages and they're tied together. So we're gonna go with this one next. Yeah, this is more than I got for Christmas, by the way, Sophia. So thank you so much. Already, it's more than I got for Christmas. Well, I can't open it. Lay off the tape, Sophia. My gosh. Oh my. What are you doing to me? Is this part of the, you knew I was going to open it on air and you're like, I'm going to tape the crap out of it so he struggles like he does with every other project that he works on? No way. You made this? Dude. That is so freaking dope. I'm not even gonna lie. This is... Sophia made this for me, guys. Jeez. This is just too nice to even hang down here in the garage, man. I gotta put this upstairs. This is... I'm gonna show you in a second, but I'm trying not to get choked up here, because this is like 100% my style, and Sophia spent the time to make this for me. It's sweet. But anyway, yeah, this can't go down here. This has got to go upstairs. I don't want anything to happen to this. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Calm down. All right, look at this. Is that not the coolest thing you have ever seen? Like, I don't even have words for this. This is just, I mean, thank you so much. I mean, that's just so cool. I don't even, words are gone from my brain right now on this one. That's awesome. It really is. You have no idea how much that means to me. I mean, I started this channel honestly as a way of therapy for myself. You know, have somebody to talk to, which was the camera, while I worked on some projects. And then when people started watching, I kind of wanted it to become a way to inspire people to get out there and do stuff. You know, which is what I'm hoping to continue it with. And yeah, anyway, that's, see, now look what you did to me. Wait, I gotta move on here. I love it, Sophia. It's freaking perfect. I mean, I gotta move on though. I'm losing rubber bands. My whole mood just got like brought down and uplifted and just mellowed all I don't know, at the same time. That's the coolest thing. I mean, that is so nice. All right, let's see what this is. Stop. So Sophia, she messaged me, I believe it was she posted on Instagram, because if you follow me on Instagram, I'm going to follow you back. And she was going to see the new Scream movie. Scream, Final Destination, those franchises like that are some of my favorites. And she posted something where she had gotten, they gave them free posters when they went in. And I said that I was like, oh my God, I want one of those. And She sent me one. So this is getting framed and all over my house, which you guys obviously haven't seen. I have horror movies throughout my house, you know, and so that is getting framed. I don't know. I don't know if I can do mail time again, guys. I mean, yeah. Anyway, I'm not crying. You're crying. All right. Okay. Dude. Everybody knows, if you watch the show, I'm straight up always drinking my sweet tea. And when I drink sweet tea, well, I don't like all the sugar and stuff. You know, it's not good for you. But I use these little Mios. And, you know, that's how I make my sweet tea. Thank you so much, Sophia. Those things are expensive, so I appreciate you spending any money that you know, that you spend on them. I know how much they cost. They're expensive. Wow, I am straight shook at this point. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I really don't. I mean, this is one of the sweetest things in the world right here. The fact that a 16-year-old girl is watching my show and likes it, that means something to me right there. Yeah. Anyway, so Sophia, I have your address out there in California. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Yeah, I won't do that again. I have your address out there. I'm going to ship out to you. I'm going to ship out to you one of my Crosshair Garage tumblers. I know it's not much. It's pretty much the only thing I have to give Crosshair Garage wives. I can't even talk now. Dang, Sophia. Why you gotta do this to me? I'm gonna get one in the mail out to you, and I really appreciate it. You have no idea. I mean, you have no idea the range of emotions going through this guy right now. That, you know, not only does anybody even watch my channel, but that you would go this far. I mean, it's amazing. I appreciate every bit of it. I mean, I just keep going back. This thing's stuck in my mind. I just keep coming back to it, you know, and I mean, I'm not an artist, but this would have taken me a month to do, so I don't know how long it took you to do, but you put in the time, you framed. And you know my style, you know, that's it. You nailed it. I love it. All right. Catch you guys later. Bye. So, just wanted to show you guys over here at the editing station is where this amazing picture that Sophia made for me, that's where it wound up. So, gives me a little inspiration every time I'm working on these. Thank you guys. Y'all stay awesome. See you later.